Hey everyone, I am Ansel Olivares from IT2D. Today, I will be demonstrating the correct use and care of tree drafting tools as part of Performance Activity 3. First, this is a T-square. It is used to draw horizontal lines and to serve as a guide for triangles. Side of the T-square firmly against the left edge of the drawing board. Then slide it up or down to draw straight horizontal lines to take care of the T-square. I make sure not to draft it and store it flat to avoid bending. This is triangle. It is used for drawing vertical and angle lines. I place it against the T-square to ensure accuracy when drawing straight lines to maintain to maintain the triangle in good condition. I avoid scraping it on rough surfaces and store it in a flat place. This is a compass. It is used to draw circles and arcs. I place to the pointed tip on the paper and rotate the pencil arm to create a circle. To curve the compass, I keep the needle converged when not used and store it in its case to prevent damage. This is my demonstration by using T-square, triangle, and compass. Thank you for watching.